What is up, guys? My name is Ethan. I'm back here with Worldwide RV, and today we're getting a first look at the all-new 2024 Jayco Granite Ridge 22T. This is Jayco's take on a Class B Plus with plenty of off-road capability. Let's go ahead and take a look, take a peek around, and see what you get for all that. The Granite Ridge is based off a 2024 Ford Transit chassis. This is the 350 model with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost motor, making 310 horsepower and 400 foot-pound of torque. Right next to the front door, you have your outdoor kitchen area. This is where you're going to get a 2 stovetop burner, along with this awesome Dometic electric cooler. This thing is sweet, and I think is a lot better utilization of space compared to that old mini fridge they used to put in them, where you barely get any space at all. And then come take a look at how much storage you have back here. This thing is absolutely huge. You can fit multiple bikes back there, ice coolers, whatever you need. Going around the back, all your lights and accessories are going to be covered and protected by this protective coating on there. And then come take a look at these wheels and tires. This is actually a dual tire setup, allowing you more traction and more towing capacity going down the road. Speaking of towing, there is a hitch and 7-way down here, and that's going to give you up to 5,000 pounds of towing capacity. Inside, to pair with that awesome EcoBoost motor, you get Ford's exceptional 10-speed automatic transmission, along with these plush leather seats and a huge interior device screen so you can see all your amenities. Right behind the driver's seat in the Granite Ridge is this L-shaped dinette here. And this one's actually really special because not only does it move in either direction this way, there's actually a pulley underneath so you can pull it down and then actually rotate the table to whatever position you want. In the kitchen, you're going to get this huge full bucket sink along with storage both below and above, and then a high point convection microwave in here. That's a full-size microwave in this 22-foot unit. Right here you have a 5.3 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator, and that's over 2 cubic feet bigger than the ones you're going to get in a B van. This is just a very large scaled up B van. Still doesn't have slides, and it's still going to be able to be driven and parked anywhere you want. Across from there is your 30 by 30 wet bath. This is where you're going to get both your shower area and your toilet area. This gives you plenty of space to do all your business and is much better than those other wet baths you're going to get in competing units. Here we are in the rear bedroom area. This is where you're going to get all your storage both up here, and then take a peek down. You have 4 drawers along with 2 more cabinets on each side. And then you're going to get this awesome accent lighting along with this 13,500 BTU Coleman air conditioner. We're currently in the 2-bed configuration. That's a twin bed on either side with this little middle partition here to keep them together. Now, if you wanted a bigger bed, boom, just like that, you have a queen bed. It's that easy. So if you guys want to come check out the first Jayco Granite Ridge in all of Arizona, come on down to Worldwide RV today. Located in Mesa, right between Higley and Greenfield, we are your Arizona RV Jayco Superstore.